Okay, so I have this multimeter here. If you saw part 1, you already know about it. It's a free energy multimeter that generates free energy. I didn't pay a thing for it. And I have this Christmas light here and a 9-volt battery. I'm just gonna use the 9-volt battery to show you that the Christmas light works. See how it's turning on and everything? So I'm going to take this Christmas light that I've proven works, and I'm going to hook it up to my free energy multimeter that produces unlimited green free energy. It's at like 1230 volts right now, which should be enough to power up this light. And then later, if it works for the light, then I'm going to use it to power my whole house. But first I'm going to turn on this light with it. And a 9-volt battery should turn it on, so my 1300 volt free energy multimeter should be able to, burn it out. It should work fine from the multimeter, because it's a lot more than 9 volts. So I'm going to show you that it can light up a Christmas light, my free energy multimeter. Alright, so let's connect the thing to the LEDs there. Find a way to do that. We're at 1470 volts now. See, it keeps generating more and more free energy. I don't have to pay anything for it, but it just keeps generating more and more free energy for no reason. Just for fun. Okay, so I seem to be having a little trouble turning this light on with it. But with that much free energy, obviously it's going to turn on the light. Just have to find a way to do it. Oh look, the voltage is dropping. So it must be absorbing some of the free energy, that Christmas light, but for some reason it hasn't lit up yet. Maybe the free energy is going into the Christmas light and making it more powerful. It's not lighting it up though yet. See, it works on the battery. But now we have to find a way to power it off the free energy multimeter. See, it works. The bulb works. Now we have to power it off the free energy multimeter.